Good afternoon everyone. So today I'm in Seremban. We're going to go to this Alexandria's cafe. I saw this on CK channel, Psychology, and I thought that it's very interesting. So let's go. So parking is a bit of a challenge here. So this is a cafe, and this is actually a one-way street. Okay. So it's a dual frontage shop. This is the main entrance. I think that is also their menu if I'm not mistaken. So let's go and see what they have. Oh, that's the menu here. These are the mains. They have pork also if you want. Kids meal, soup, meat-free options. Quite extensive are their menu. Pasta, breakfast, salad, all pot. So let's go. I think this is very interesting. There's a bike here. Let's see. Wow, really like stepping into old school place. Look at the decor. Oh, there's a bar here too where you sit. It's going to take in the environment. There's trees. There's a bathtub there. Ambience here. The music also very relaxing. And it's playing a symphony here. The seat is right behind this coffee machine. This coffee machine is still functional, but they don't use it. I'm gonna press. Pastries. This looks appetizing, especially the chocolate. Okay, this is old cupboard. A lot of old stuff here. You really can't get enough of it. Hygiene, it's beautiful. Look at this place. Okay, you seldom see this kind of book right these days. Very old school, very nice book right. Look at the porcelain stuff they have. Very old school. So scary drawing. Oh, some of the titles I recognize. Very nice place. So on the recommendations of the waiter, I ordered this salmon pesto. Apparently this is their best seller here. A lot of customers come and order this. So on the outside, presentation looks good. Some slab of salmon here with on top is the lemon. And I also got their long black. Okay. So let's dig in. I've got a very beautiful spot. Behind me is right the coffee machine. So this is their pesto. I've already squeezed the lemon inside. It smells amazing. So you're just going to stir it up and take a bite. You can smell the herbs, you can smell the mint. The cheese is not overwhelming on it. So to me it's okay. Let's taste the salmon. You're supposed to have it with the pesto or just like that. Pan-seared to perfection. I've not done salmon before, my own self. But maybe you'll go to another kitchen field if it's a fish. All the fish. Pan-seared salmon together with the pesto. Sorry, grilled salmon together with the pesto. Grilled salmon, my apologies. Grilled salmon together with pesto, perfect. Long back. Long back, okay. It's not really that strong, this one. And the color looks like a single origin, but I don't know the bean from where. Yeah, this is definitely better than most of the big brands out there. So this restaurant, right, has beautiful ambience, very calming, very soothing. The songs that they hear also lo-fi. The moment you step into it, this cafe, it brings you back in time. There's a lot of decoration here that reminds me of my days staying with my grandma and my nanny. And their menu is extensive. I think it's a perfect place if you have like a few people who come for high tea just to chit chat, like a girls' day out, you know. This is perfect. There's so many sittings for you. So if you are around the corner, come to Alexandria, Shopee, and I will leave the address as usual in the description down below, so for you to check it out. This is Ken here, and I'll see you again next video. Bye. So if you are coming from the main road, you can already see the cafe. This is the cafe here. It's actually a corner lot shop. This is how the building looks like. Beautiful actually. Gives you the vibe of the old English corner. So I do not recommend you to come from here. Look at these steps. It's kind of high, so be careful. Don't miss your step. You can go in from the other side behind. This is a cafe. You have a place to sit, for you to wait, or even go in